हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स। मैं हूं अनुराधा। बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स पूछते हैं कि मैम, आई थॉट ऑफ गेटिंग रिकमेंडेड बट आई वाज कॉन्फिडेंस डाउट। व्हाई? दे डोंट नो व्हाई और व्हाट वर द रीजंस दे वर रिजेक्टेड एट द कॉन्फिडेंस राउंड ऑफ एसएसबी इंटरव्यू। और इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने के लिए आज के सेशन में मैं आ चुकी हूँ, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द रीजंस व्हाई द कैंडिडेट्स गेट रिजेक्टेड एट द कॉन्फिडेंस राउंड ऑफ देयर एसएसबी इंटरव्यू। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, let us burst some common myths. I spoken in good English while others did not. I was rejected while others were selected. My conference went long. They took a lot of time to call me, okay, before conference. Still, I was rejected. People spoke in Hindi and English, but they were selected. I was not. I was speaking entirely in English. I completed everything in psychological test and impressed the interviewer. Still, I was rejected. Now, these are all myths. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपने ऐसा किया है then you will be selected or you will get recommended. Okay? अब आते हैं एक्चुअल रीजंस पे। क्या रीजंस हो सकती है इन एक्चुअल जिसके लिए आप रिजेक्टेड हो गए थे इन योर प्रीवियस एसएसबी इंटरव्यू और इन द कॉन्फ्रेंस? फर्स्ट इज misrepresentation or misinterpretation of personality because of misguidance, because of which the right personality might not have evolved. हो सकता है आपकी अंदर की जो एक्चुअल ट्रू क्वालिटीज है वो बाहर नहीं आ पाया था. There could be a mismatch in the thinking of the three assessors and you might be rejected. हो सकता है उनमें कुछ मिसमैच हुआ होगा. All the three assessors should recommend a persona for being recommended by the board. Same finding होनी चाहिए. Findings में उनका कोई गलती था. That's why. Could not be able to reveal the required degree and number of officer-like qualities which are essentially needed for selection. OLQs अब वैसे दिखा नहीं पाए थे. Once you return, आपको क्या करना है अब? ये हो सकता है reasons. क्या करना है? I'll get you. I'll give you the answers. How to get recommended in your next SSB interview. Once you return, recap what happened, what mistakes you did because of which the rejection happened. Don't waste that important time in cribbing about whose fault was it. Okay, facility kya tha, assessors kaise the. Think of what went wrong. If you want, you can discuss the same things with your mentor or with your friends or with your family members. Experienced people can hear your performance and can tell what went wrong. Next thing that you need to do is you should learn from your mistakes, because it is rightly said mistakes are a proof that you are trying. So it's never bad to commit a mistake, but it is wrong not to learn from them. So if the same mistakes are repeated again and again, it's sheer wastage of time. So you should learn that, okay, I have done this mistake. How can I improve them? Next, after returning, you should do deep self introspection, because self introspection is the only way to realize what went wrong. Why was there a mismatch in your personality, or why you were not able to provide all your OLQs properly to the assessors? Okay, what you had as strength, why your strengths were not seen, why your weaknesses came into the forefront. If you've done properly by studying the life events with respect to OLQs, you can actually find your weak areas and improve them. So try to find out what OLQs you have and what you don't have. Improve on the OLQs you don't have. You can find through self introspection that you are really improving, and that will really help you to get recommended next time. Preparation should start in time rather than at the end moment. तो ऐसा बैठे मत रहो कि जब सेंटर मुझे बताया जाएगा then I'll start preparing. At least 2 to 3 months पहले से you should start preparing for your SSB, because preparation for SSB needs a lot of time. It's not like any other interview or any other exam कि आप थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई कर लोगे और आप prepare हो जाओगे. It's a personality test. So there will be some time taken for you to develop your personality. It cannot be done in 2 weeks or something as few trainers claim that they will be helping you to do. So you have to start preparation when you have time. Don't wait for the call letter or the announcement of the SSB center or date. The next thing that you need to do is spend some quality time with yourself rather than practicing things. Because if previously mentioned steps are followed diligently, things become easy and success can be achieved easily. So अपने साथ time spend करो, quality time. देखो आपको क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं है, आप कौन हो, क्यों हो. So try to know yourself. The better you'll know yourself, the better you'll able to perform in your next SSB. तो अगर आप ये टिप्स को मानते हैं, then आपके नेक्स्ट एसएसबी में आपका रिकमेंडेशन होने का चांस काफी बढ़ जाएगा. So if you want to prepare for your upcoming SSB like this, stay tuned with us and try to get yourself enrolled into SSB interview online course. If you preparing for any other written defense exam, उसके लिए भी courses आपको हमारे SSB क्रैक एग्जाम्स लर्निंग ऐप में मिल जाएंगे. So हमारे ऐप को आज ही डाउनलोड कीजिए और Warrior 10 का कोड यूज कीजिए to get 10% off on the courses. That was it from my side. Hope to see you very soon. Till then, stay tuned with us and jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू NDA, CDS, FCAT जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप SSB क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें। आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।